Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Mubin Dani from English Language Department. I am a little boy with little mental approach but with firm belief. Today I am going to throw a light on topic God exists. Many people believe that God exists because they see order and beauty in the world. From the sunrise to the star in the sky, from the smallest insect to the vast ocean, everything seems to follow our design. This harmony makes us think that higher power must have created it all. In our daily life, we often feel a sense of love and hope that goes just beyond physical things. These feelings connect us to something greater than ourselves. Many find comfort and strength in believing in God, especially during difficult times, which show how this belief impacts our heart and mind. Looking at history, countless civilizations and cultures have worshipped a divine presence. This shared belief across time and geography that show the idea of God is deeply rooted in human experience. Whether through prayer or meditation or reflection, people continue to seek and find meaning in the existence of God. And I firmly believe that God exists, God exists, God exists. Thank you so much.